It was November 2024. I was just scrolling through YouTube. Then, I found Gawx for the first time. That's when I saw what cinematic looked like. Back then, I had nothing. I realized I needed to change. So I opened my PC, started scrolling, searching, from cameras, decorations, to gears I didn't even know I needed. In the next 6 months, I was just practicing, learning, and buying what I needed to get started. Then I realized I just had to start. In order to begin, I'm gonna break it down to 5 simple steps. Now that it's time to actually start, I just make videos. Even if they're bad, even if they aren't fully formed, small steps, small progress. That's really how I started. Everyone sucks at the beginning. That's just a part of it. You don't skip that stage, you go through it. So instead of hating on your first attempt, look at them as proof that you're actually doing something. This is where most people get stuck. They feel like something is wrong, but they don't know how to move forward. That feeling is normal. Growth isn't supposed to feel safe. It's supposed to change you. Not when it's easy, but when it's hard. Step 4. Keep showing up. This is where it's you versus you. You either show up or you don't. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. And that's why you've got to trust yourself. A lot of people can't start because they don't trust themselves. Me, I don't ignore those thoughts. I face them. What are you scared of? What am I afraid of? That's why I write everything down in my notebook. To fight those thoughts. To understand my weaknesses. Because if I don't face my mind, it will control me.
Se encontraron a pesar de todo, porque la vida lo quiso y así fue, y juntos construyeron su castillo de amor y pasión.